I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up stop loss on TradingView. Open the chart, access the trade panel, and choose the order type to add a stop loss immediately. Use price levels, adder, or fixed dollar risk to position the stop. Drag the stop line or enter the exact price in the order ticket. Confirm the order and monitor position with alerts to keep risk managed and clear. Open the trade button and focus on the order panel where you input size, stop price, and profit target. Choose market, limit, or stop entry, then add a stop loss field or drag the stop line on the chart. For simultaneous exits, enable OCO so one order cancels the other. Double-check sizes and prices before submitting to avoid accidental overexposure and ensure your risk matches your plan. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It makes alerts and market podcasts sound great and adds hands-free controls, perfect for traders who multitask. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one if you want. Thanks, and now let's get back to the video. Use ATR or recent swing highs and lows to set logical stop distances that avoid noise. Enable price and order alerts so you get notified when stops are hit or orders fill, even if you are away. Consider scaling out with partial exits before switching to a trailing stop to lock profits. Regularly review chart timeframes and adjust stops as volatility changes to keep risk consistent with your strategy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.